Good morning. Good morning, children. Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Welcome back to our arithmetic progression class AP, sum of n terms of an AP. Okay, we have seen a formula for finding sum of n terms of an AP. What is the formula? Sum of n terms of an AP, Lena? What's the formula for finding?
Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d.
Yes, Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and we did some problems based on that. Okay, all of you just
Not shared.
or yes,
Share screen.
you can't see.
No, ma'am.
Okay, 1 second. How can I close this? I didn't put. Okay, can you see now? Can you see now? Okay, so Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, children, you just go through the questions that we did in the last class. First one, the series is 2, 7, 12, etc. 10 terms. Then negative 37, negative 33, negative 29, etc. 12 terms. 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, etc. 100 terms. Last one is 1 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 10, etc. 11 terms. In all these questions, the last term is not given. After 3 or 4 terms, etc. Last term is not given, isn't it? Just look at the questions. Only 1 or 2 questions, 2 or 3 questions are given. After that, it put etc. And given, we need to find the sum of this much terms, 10 terms, 20 terms, 100 terms. Okay. Suppose if last term is given, what is the benefit of that? If that is, if last term is given, that is a plus d, a plus 2d, etc. Last term an or a plus n minus 1d is given. If last term is given, we will have another formula which is very simple formula. Okay. So if last term an of an AP is given, then Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus an. Only this is enough. If last term and first term will be there a. If last term and first and last terms are given, we can easily find the sum of AP Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus an. Okay. Okay, children, you write this box. If last term of an AP is given, if last term of an AP is given, then in some of the questions, we have to know this formula also. We need to apply this also. Okay. If last 2 terms are given, then Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus an. An is last term. Last term, a first term. Also we have Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus L also. L means last term. Instead of an, we can also write L. Last term. That also you can put along with. Instead of an, we can write L also. Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus L, where L is the last term. So if last term is given, we can directly apply this formula. Okay. So right. Question. Take second question, page 112, second question. Page 112. Second question. In that question, find the sum. 7 plus 10 and 1 by 2 plus 14 plus etc. plus 84. We need to find some of these terms. Okay. Here the first and last term is given. We need to find the sum of this series 7 plus 10 and 1 by 2 plus 14 plus etc. So how many terms? N is not given. How many terms are there? It is not given. All of you look at the question. Here 7, 10, 1 by 2, 14 etc. and last term also given. Question is find the sum. Find the sum of all these terms. But it is not given how many terms are there. Okay. So first of all, we need to find how many terms are there. For that, last exercise, we are finding the number of terms. How? Let an equal to 84. An equal to 84. A plus n minus 1 into d equal to 84. We will find which term is this 84. Okay. So you have to find d. D is 10 1 by 2 means it is 11 by 2 minus 7. 11 minus 14 by 2, it is minus not 11, 10 into 2, 20, sorry. 21 by 2 minus 7, that is 21 minus 14 by 2. 21 minus 14 is again 7 by 2. D equal to 7 by 2. A is 7. So let us write 7 plus n minus 1 into d 7 by 2 equal to 84. Equal to 84. That is n minus 1 into 7 by 2 equal to 84 minus 7. 84 minus 7 is 77. N minus 1 into 7 by 2 equal to 77. So n minus 1 equal to 77 into 2. 2 will go to numerator. 7 will come to denominator. Cancelling 11. So n minus 1 equal to 22. N equal to 22 plus 1, 23. N equal to 23. So there are 23 terms in this given series. 23 terms in this given series. Now we can write Sn. Sn equal to both first term and last term are there. So n by 2 into a plus an. N is 23. 23 by 2 into a is 7. An is 84. So 23 by 2 into 23 by 2 into 91. So 23 into 91 by 2 is the sum. Find out how much it is. How much is the question?
1 minute. First step we can explain once more.
First of all, you write this. After that, I will do the same question once again. Write it. So that I can move this page, Over.
1
How
minute.
much? How much it is? 23 into 91 by 2.
I'm 2093.
2093. 2093 by 2. 2093 by 2. Okay. Now all of you listen to the board once again. I will explain the question once again. It is there in your book. No need to write now. I will explain the question and answer once. The question is find the sum of 10 plus 10 1 by 2, 10 1 by 2 plus 14 plus etc. plus 84. Okay, when we compare this question with the previous questions we did, previously what is given? We are given a series. Last term is not given, but they mentioned sum of 10 terms, sum of 11 terms, sum of 100 terms. They mentioned you have to find sum of this much terms. But in this question, n is not given. Okay, in this question, n is not given. They are just saying you have to find the sum of this series. But last term is given. An is given. If last term is given, we can find how many number of terms we can find. We know to find number of terms in this series if first, last, and D is given. Okay. Is it clear, all of you, the question? So let us take n. First of all, we need to find the n number of terms. So for that, let an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. And a equal to 7 and an equal to 84. For getting d, we have 10 and 1 by 2. We can write 21 by 2 minus 1. That is 21 minus 7. 21 minus 14 by 2. 7 by 2. D is 7 by 2. Now substitute 84, n equal to 84. 7 plus n minus 1 into 7 by 2. 84 minus 7 is n minus 1 into 7 by 2. 84 minus 7 is how much? It is 77 equal to n minus 1 into 7 by 2. So 2 can be 77 into 2. 7 will come to denominator equal to n minus 1. And that is equal to 22. 22. So n minus 1 equal to 22. N equal to 22 plus 1, 23. So here we got, there are 23 terms in this series. In this AP, we have 23 terms. Okay. So now we can find S23. We need to find this sum, no? So there are 23 terms. So S23, write the formula first. Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S23 equal to 23 by 2 into, here we have both first and last term. So we can, we can choose the second formula, n by 2 into a plus an we can choose. Both the ways you can find, either Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, or this formula also, because last term is given here. So we can choose Sn equal to n by 2 plus n by 2 into a plus an. A is 7, an is 84. So this is equal to 23 into 91 by 2. Clear, all of you? Can we do the next questions? all the second set is the same type. Is it clear? Dominic, Srihari, Anjali, Anaj, all of you?
And I'm
Okay.
how we got at 23 that is.
Huh? 23,
And
23
the last,
plus 1.
and that last step can you explain that?
Last term, which S23. Sn
after
equal
that,
to n by 2 plus a plus a, and that is formula. N is 23. 23 by 2 into a is 7, and an is last term 84.
Oh.
So 7 plus 84, 91. 91 into 23 by 2. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, now write second question. We will do that. Second question, second one. 34, 32, 30, etc. Find the sum of 32, 34, 34, 30, 34, 30, and 34, 30 to 30, 32, 30, etc., etc., 10. Okay, here also first and last term are given. So we need to find n. Okay, first of all, we need to find n. How many terms are there? It is not given in this question. So first we need to find n. For that, an equal to, right? An equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So a equal to 34. D equal to 32 minus 34. An equal to 10. Find n first. An equal to 10. So a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 10. 34 plus n minus 1 into negative 2 equal to 10. N minus 1 into negative 2 equal to 10 minus 34, that equal to minus 24. So n minus 1 equal to minus 24 by minus 2, 12. So n equal to 13. 12 plus 1. N
ma'am,
equal,
I'm going to give that bracket to negative 2 now.
Here only one negative number, so if you give or not, no problem. While taking to the denominator, take negative 2. Negative 24 by negative 2. Now we got n equal to 13. So write the formula for Sn, then find S13. Here you can write n by 2 into a plus an, because last term is given. The other formula also possible. 13 by 2 into a is 34 plus 10.
Ma'am, is the answer 286?
286. Here, try the third one. Anuj, I saw you. Now, third question. How much it is? What is the IN of third one? N?
1 minute, 1 minute.
N? How much?
176.
76. N equal to 76. Yes. That is
And I have got the SN also.
SN. How much you got?
Negative 8,930.
20.
Like 89,
Uh,
30.
30. Negative 8,930. Okay. So first step, negative 5 plus negative 8. Negative 5 plus negative 8 plus etc. plus negative 230. Here also AN is given. Okay. So A plus N minus 1 into D equal to negative 230 minus 5 plus N minus 1 into D. D is negative 8 minus 5. Negative 8 plus 5, negative 3 equal to negative 230. So N minus 1 into negative 3 equal to negative 230 plus 5, negative 225. So N minus 1 equal to negative 225 by negative 3, that is 75. So N equal to 75 plus 6, 75 plus 1, 76. 75 plus 1, 76. 75 plus 1, 70. Now Sn. Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus an, because last term is given. So n 76 equal to n by 2. 76 by 2 into a, negative 5 plus an, negative 230. Find it. Okay.
Can you move up?
Down. One second. It's moving somewhere. Right. Is it over, children? Can I move?
1
All
minute.
of, okay. Did you try the questions that I have sent last day? If any doubt, you can ask. Okay.
Small.
All the homework questions we can't discuss in the class. You try the questions. If you are not getting, you can send a message, or in the class you can ask. Okay, I'm giving some R.D. Sharma or Agarwal questions. So you practice on those questions. Okay, children. Next, write the next question. Next question is if the sum of right.
Ma'am,
Uh,
one textbook that in an EP given is right.
you write this right question. If the sum of first 14 terms of an AP, first 14 terms of an AP is 1050. 1050 and its first term is 10. 10. Find the 20th term. Right. If the sum of the first 14 terms of an AP is 1050 and its first term is its first term is 10, find 20th term. Find 20th term.
I didn't understand the question.
Sum of first 14 terms are given. For an AP, A is given. A equal to 10. Next terms 14 terms. And its sum of 14 terms, that is S14. S14 is 1050. There are some terms. And when we add first term plus second term plus third term plus etc. plus 14th term, we will get a sum 1050. Is it clear? Sum of 14 terms is 1050. And A is 10. First term is 10. Find A20. A20 we need to find. Okay, A20 is what? It is A plus. Eva, A20 is?
A plus 19.
Okay, A plus 19D. A20 is A plus 19D. So A we know. We need to find D. What is given? Sn is given. So from Sn we need to find D.
Minus.
Okay. So Sn is Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula with d, Sn. The other formula, there is no d. So for getting d, we must use this formula. So Sn is 1050. 1050 equal to n by 2 into 2a, 2 into 10 plus n minus n. N is 14 now. N is given 14.
14.
That we can substitute. 14 by 2 into 14 by 2 into 2 into 10 plus 14 minus 1 into d. Only d we need to find to get that A20. Okay. So this is 1050 equal to 7 into 20. 7 into 20 plus 13d. 14 minus 1, 13. 13d. Okay. So here 1050, we can write 1050 divided by 7. 1050 divided by 7 equal to 20 plus 13d. 1050 can be divided by 7. Right. What is it? 150. Okay, 150. So 150 equal to 20 plus 13d. 150 minus 20 equal to 13d. So 130 equal to 13d. So d equal to 130 by 13, 10. D equal to 10. Now you can write A20. A20 is A plus 19D. A20 equal to A plus 19D. That is A is 10 plus 19 into 10. This is A20. 20th term, A20 is
200.
200. A20 is children, is it clear this question? Go through the question and answer once. Sum of 14 terms are given. Sum of first 14 terms is AP. Of an AP is 1050. And first term is 10. We need to find its 20th term. So 20th term means it is A plus 19D. A we know it is 10. But we don't know D. So we are using the formula to find D. We are using the formula for Sn. The formula with D is Sn equal to n by 2 plus 2a plus n minus 1 into D. That is the formula to get D. So 1050 equal to n is 14 by 2, 2 into a, 2 into 10 plus 14 minus 1 into D. So 20 plus 13D. 7 into 20 plus 13D. Taking 7 to the denominator. 1050 by 7 is 150. 150 equal to 20 plus 13D. So 130 equal to 13, D equal to 10. If we get D, we can write, after getting D, we can write A20. A20 is A plus 19D. Okay, right. Next question. How many terms of the AP? 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 24, 21, 18, 24, 21, 18, etc. 24, 21, etc. must be taken
Must be taken
sorry, must be taken so that their sum is Their sum is 78. There are some terms in this AP. We need to find when we add how many terms, sum of the terms, we will get 78. Question, how many terms are there? To get a sum, 78. So sum is given. Sn is 78. A is 24. D we can write 21 minus 24 minus 3. N we need to find n. How many terms must be taken to get a sum 78? Okay. Okay. So Sn is a plus n by, sorry, Sn is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn, that is 78. N we don't know. N by 2 into 2a into 24 plus n minus 1 into d is negative 3 equal to 78. So n into 48 plus n minus 1 into negative 3 equal to 78 into 2. This denominator, this 2 can be taken to the numerator. So 78 into 2.